Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Collect your new routing number and account number before you call or log in. Write them down securely and confirm digits twice. Take a clear photograph of the official bank document for reference. Set up two-step verification on the new account and save a secure backup of your bank login. Create a list of payers and services that use your old account, including payroll and utilities. Allow 30 days for verification holds and initial automated transfers to clear and reconcile all transactions. Notify your employer payroll, providing new account and routing numbers securely by phone or portal. Ask payroll to confirm the effective pay date and any pending deposits. Update recurring bills and subscriptions online or via written authorization within 30 days to prevent missed payments. Check and update automatic transfers such as mortgage, rent, utilities, and streaming services. Contact Social Security or benefits to update direct deposit if applicable, and confirm any pending benefit payments will be redirected to the new account. Reconcile all pending deposits and debits before closing the old account to avoid returned payments. Leave a small buffer balance of 5 to 0 until final checks and automated debits clear. Monitor both accounts for 7 business days after transfers to verify successful transactions. Once cleared, contact your old bank and request account closure in writing and by secure message. Request written confirmation when your old account is officially closed, and retain that confirmation for at least 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.